Now they pussy up, I hit it over good. We hit a nigga or we riding with them tools, yeah. I pull up, I got them father in the old school, yeah. No diamonds on, I put them diamonds on the hole, yeah. I pull up and ride, I got my team, I got around. I pull up, I got that switch, I go and hit a nigga. I pull around. No pussy niggas thought that I was down, now I know. And I thought of the results I've been down. I just seen that one nigga say he from the hood. I let that nigga around, I said I'll get the one say what. I pull around. I'm talking about that nigga that was in the car. I hit him off. I ain't said the word before, they can't lie. I pull up with that, now they know I'm from the hood, yeah. I pull up on the block, I mean to say I'm from the hood, yeah. Them pussy niggas smiling, thought they really could. We pull a nigga head up on the fucking news on the poster board. We pull up on the, yeah, in a chopper wood. We hit a nigga with that glock, that chopper knock on wood. Fake, yeah. Pull up on the block, you wanna get it day. I pull up, you fucking around with me, I leave that pussy day. I pull up on the block, I keep my 40 wood. I pull up on the brand new block, I keep my 40 wood. They snakes us down, they left us in the hood whole time. They been up in the suburban houses. They fucking around and they say you won't meet me good, yeah. I knock that pussy bitch out with that nutty wood. I hit him up, I mean I hit that bitch out with that fire. Hit one no, that pussy bitch she can't even speak now. She really 29, ain't from the hood. The holy town, ain't even know, yeah. She probably 20 years, just turned 21. I hit that pussy bitch out with that company pussy say what? Yeah, I been all up on the block, I keep my civvy wood. I pull up on the block, I bet without fake. The pussy niggas talking, say they from the hood. We pull up on the block, those smithies get on wood, yeah. Them choppers get a car, we hit on my day wood. We aimin' at a pussy, get his head on, yeah. I pull up on the block, you know I leave my red. I done low, big cut, no bra, no kids. By that hoe I bundle wherever you got a new kid with a glove. Got a run in the bag and I'm over there sticking, I go hit one over by, yeah. And I bite that bitch on Hercules, yeah. I pull up, yeah. I been on the block, I keep my, yeah. Fight I fuck her, yeah. Pull up with that night, I talk about a fucking auntie, yeah. And I hit it all up on the block, she making good, yeah. I pull up on the block with a 40, she said that she off. She ate that dick up in that bed, she was out coughing. She ate it all, she ain't know about me. I fucked that hoe, I put her nothing, ever know about me. Beat that pussy up before I go, I back up in that cell. Pull up on that block, I beat that pussy in that cell. I done wrong, and I really wanna make her good, yeah. Pull up on the block, you know, up and with that wood. Hold on, I got a lot of since I got that dope, I got on that, yeah. I got a lot of that hoes. We pull up, we fuck them, yeah. I mean, I fuck them, though. I don't know what they do, they fuck them too. But they don't fuck mine, though, they got it on me, have our own. I fucked on all of them, she said she wanna, yeah. She wanna get it out, had that hoe a ballin'. That hoe said that she want it, but that hoe ain't lying. I pull up out to my and I blow this. I pull up, I got another, I got that to me too. Pull up on the block and I'm over there, send me, bitch, I got me one. Pull up on the block and I'm over there, send me, I keep my Glocky, yeah. I pull up on the block, we spray. Pull up on the block, I ride around with my take that Nike bitch. I pull up and ride around, I see the hits I did on YouTube, bitch. I'm thuggin' with that, and I probably ain't seen this shit. Pull up on the block and I'm over there, send me, I hit one, make up pussy speak. I pull up in the brand new bit like Vico, bitch, I keep her, yeah. And I'm riding around, I go away, man, I don't pay me, really. All of them, I pull up, I keep my pole, I keep one fall. I got my night, they say they tryna drop me off at the mall. Wait them bitch before they even seen the pay. And I flip that bitch and fuck they fit, but it was not done with that. Had that bitch her coughing, nigga. Pull up with a block of the boat with that silver nut out me when I off it, nigga. Silver nuts all off at home, silver to the orphanage. Pull up with that, now we get us slapping shit, we keep this shit. Fuck the bitch, we been pulling up. I got a lot of sticks, wet the muscle. By the time she come back, she ain't got a witness.
Match day, let's go.